So in order to introduce technologies, we need to understand how the ecosystem interact with humans. Whatever thing we do as humans, either production, either with consumption habits, will impact our ecosystem. Okay? We will see, those are the 6 chapters, how the courses is organized. We will see cases of sustainable development, successful cases. Then we will go back to industry and how the pollutants, to understand the contaminants. Let's say, for example, if you have an anaerobic process and you generate sulfuric acid, you know what happened? Any of you know what happened when you generate sulfuric acid? What about you, Antoine?
Can you repeat the question? Can you repeat the question, please? I don't hear very well.
Okay. Do you know what happened when you have a process where you can have an anaerobic condition, anaerobic without oxygen condition, and you generate some H2S, which is sulfuric acid? Do you know what happened with the environment? Do you know what happened with people? Do you have any idea?
Not really. I guess it's not good, but I don't know really the consequences.
Okay, it's very simple. People die and die a lot. It happens very often in wastewater treatment plant to generate H2S. So your activity, even mining industry, I recall tailing pond where they were generating this H2S gas, which is very, very bad. It smelled like this decomposed eggs. Is horrible. It induces vomits because it's very dangerous. You die. And that happens because you use a chemical reagent called a collector. And collector is being used to make hydrophobic mineral particles. However, if you change the pH, if you have acid condition, you release H2S, which kill people. You see? So not only because of pollutants, environment, also you can kill people. So that's the reason we'll be discussing some of the cases. Then, in order to tackle those problems in chapter 4 or topic 4, we're talking about clean production, some basic good practices on that. Then we will go to circular economy. We will be seeing some cases, and there's some specific cases. By the way, I've been working with Tetra Pak recycling, with, by the way, a lot of mechanical stuff in order to generate panels, thermofusion panels that have been successfully used as insulation material. And then the last chapter is regarding HSEC. Any of you know what it means, the acronym HSEC?
No.
Okay, the thing is, whatever you do in any company, especially mining companies, you need to take care of standards. And those standards are, H is for health, safety, environment, and community. So whatever thing you do, let's say you want to sell to mining company a grinding equipment or a cyclone or whatever thing, or a pump, whatever thing you install, you need to consider these 4 elements. So this is when you implement whatever technology or whatever business, you need to take care of that. And those are regulations. So that's the way that is going to be called. And those are the 6 topics, and those are the learning outcomes. I will not read it. But the learning outcome intends to what are the expected results or expected that you will be able to do. Let's say identify or explain or integrate or analyze. Okay. So again, this is an introduction course. It will not be that tough. We are in the level of difficulty to identify and explain. Okay, we're not pretending you to design something, because again, this is a very basic course, and details of the courses. And sorry, and let me share another screen. I want to share another screen. Details of this course I wanna send these documents. So I'm expecting from you guys to take this, to take this document where the 6 topics are, I'm sorry, I took the, oh no, sorry, this is the Spanish version. I have the English version, not here, but you will see an English version of that, the 6 topics and the learning outcomes, and each specific class from 1 to 20. So I'm expecting from you guys generate not a report, I mean the main ideas in order to track your notes, class notes. So just to see if you're tracking correctly the statement that I'm trying to establish. So I want to send you, as we finish this class, I want to send you this Word document in English in order to follow and track